Hello everyone, welcome back to Enjay's Place. Just kidding, I'm just eating a Starburst. It was so good. But welcome back to Enjay's Place. And be sure to click the like button and the subscribe button. If you haven't seen last week's video and the week before, go back and check them out. But today, we are going to open Wreck and Ride Gorilla Attack. Alright. I got another crack from last week and the week before. Okay. Alright, I got it open. A quadruple of these rules. I'm just gonna flick it over there. Whoa! Is it 1973? No, it's 2022. No. Alright, instructions. This is a big package. What in the... What is this? Gas stations, just like the car wash, like I can detach. What? I think this is a claw, and what is this? A gorilla face? We have this elevator, I'm guessing. Oh, one of his long, stretchy arms, like Elastigirl from, I don't remember, Super Incredible. Another part of his arms, another part of his arms, and another part of his arms. How many arms does this gorilla have? 4 arms? Alright. Oh, and the car is stuck in there. Again. Alright, I got the car itself. Really cool. This thing looks very, very wicked. I wouldn't want, and with his evil eyes, I wouldn't want him to just eat me in my sleep in a night like this. That would be a major problem. We got some instructions. Let's open this. Oh, they didn't make it sticky this time. What a reference. I was gonna write a letter to Target. They'd be in big trouble. These are a lot of pieces. I can't get enough of this. Stand in the eyes of the children. Got some stickers here. These are not any strips, but they're the connections to the road. I'm assuming we are gonna put this. Alright, another strip. And doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so we got some more stickers. There's a doorway like an office. Got a door. Oh, I see where the doorway should be. So it's basically where customers walk out. Alright. This is the last sticker. Gotta put it. Oh! I get it. This makes sense. Right here. Doesn't look perfect, but it doesn't have to be. We have to connect all of these. Apparently this is a long gorilla. Alright, I forgot to say in my intro, Enjay crew, but you are the Enjay crew, and you guys are the best. I'm gonna have to put some muscles here. Push! Oh my goodness, I'm so weak. How weak am I? I found out that I could do it in the air. This is stronger than I thought. What? Alright, I got it. We got our little arm wiggly. We got, what's number 2? Oh! So we gotta connect this riggedy arm to this and the gorilla itself. I think wait, did it show us that the gorilla had to go in there? No. Right? All right. So I figured this out until it clicks. All these toys nearby always need like adult supervision. Like when I did the wheel twist video, I had to use my parents. I might have to put this on the floor after I build it all up because this is so long. Okay guys, I had to move to the ground because this was way too much. Way too long. So it's basically you have to do this, which I'm not strong enough to do. Why was I saying that? Let's see. Oh, so it's a smasher. All right, so it's completed. There we go. All right, so now we have to put our car all the way down. Whoa! That was a little too much power. Yes! It almost made it, but now it made it. That was so cool. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Be sure to click the like button and the subscribe button because next week is our last Hot Wheel video to make it a whole series. So make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button if you want me to get more Hot Wheel